Hi, I'm Manish Gulyani. I head technology marketing here at Nokia. I'm here at OFC, a really exciting show. One of the biggest topics of discussion is about scale across networking. Now, you might wonder what that is. Till now, people who've been building AI factories have been building these mammoth data centers connecting hundreds of thousands of GPUs to each other. But when you want to scale that up even further and connect, hundreds of thousands, even million GPUs to each other, you start running into power and space constraints. So a lot of the hyperscalers, the big builders, are starting to distribute those factories by building multiple sites across the campus. And they now need to provide very high capacity connectivity between all these buildings to make this behave like a single AI cluster. That's where the high capacity data center switching and optical networking technologies come to play. So here at Nokia, for example, we have the 7250 IXR 18E. It's a half petabit system that has 576 ports of 800 gig. To connect that seamlessly to the other campus site, you now need to put 800 gig plugs, 576 of units of 800 gig plugs from one system to the other system to provide connectivity. So this is creating a step order function increase in demand, both from a switching perspective and an optical networking perspective. And this is where the power of Nokia comes to play. We have both the switching and routing platforms and our optical systems with pluggables and light systems. And it's a perfect marriage to provide the high capacity connectivity, scale across needs, across networks need to address this opportunity.